guys, it's Christian, and today we're back with another vlog. And I'm back with her and my sister. I don't even know. And yeah, and I got something today. That's really cool. It's a freaking, yeah, it's a fidget spinner. Let's spin it. See, fidget spinner. And it spins like 1 minute. And I'll try to spin it as fast as I can. It makes a lot. It sounds so. It's noisy. Alright, so I'll see y'all later. Peace. And yeah, I literally warped my fidget spinner there. And I'll see y'all later. Peace. Yeah, so that's gonna be the end of the vlog. So literally 11:26 like a.m. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Hopefully. Peace.